And from the outside, you see how we tucked it right up underneath the soffit? And that is a beautiful large door. I love doors that slide like butter. That's a big, heavy door too. Okay, go ahead and hit the shade again. And so she sits here with her friends and family. Now, as a little bonus feature, we haven't done the lower floor yet, but she got inspired and loved this idea of the white risers, black treads, black handle, painted all that. We took the spindles out, painted them, took the carpet off, and put down these black treads, stained the front entry floor white, painted the whole front door black. That is a fantastic look. Okay, on to another door.